12. Here we have if h and k are functions such that h of x equals x plus 3 and h of g of 2 equals 9, which of the following could describe g of x? So we will notice here that this involves evaluating function. When we evaluate function, we simply replace x with a given value or expression inside the parentheses in a given function. For example, if here we have h of g of 2, meaning we replace the function h of x, which is equal to x plus 3, with the g of 2. And therefore we have here equals g of h of g of 2 is equal to x plus 3. Instead of writing x, we are going to write g of 2. G of 2 plus 3 plus 3. And that is equal, according to our information in our problem, that is equal to 9. So from this equation, we can get the value of g of 2 by simply having g of 2 is equal to, we're going to transpose this positive 3 to that other side of equal sign, and this positive will become negative. And so this is g of 2 equals 9 minus 3. And therefore, here we have g of 2 is equal to 6. So what does it mean? What does this g of 2 equal to 6 means? It means that since we are asked to find g of x, here in our choices A to C, these are the possible functions or possible rule or expression which describe g of x. And it says here that g of 2 is equal to 6, meaning to say that the function of g of x, when we replace the value of x with 2, will give us 6. So for us to know which of these four choices here is the rule or expression that describes g of x, we're going to replace x with 2 and see if that will give us a value of 6. So let's test letter A. Let's test this letter A. Because again, when we are doing elimination method in our choices, we start with the simplest or simplest form of expression. And here, because we involve here 2 and 2, and the rest is 3, 4, and 5, this x squared plus 2 is the simplest expression we can consider here. And let's test letter A. Let's just write here, let's test A. We're going to test A if we have g of 2, if we have g of x is equal to x squared plus 2, it should satisfy the g of 2 is equal to 6. So let's replace x with 2. Should be equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 4, rather plus 2. And so we have here 2 squared is equal to 4 plus 2. And there we have g of 2 is equal to 6. So simply satisfy our derived equation above that g of 2 should be equal to 6. Therefore, our correct answer here that describe the g of x is letter A. It means that g of x should be equal to x squared plus 2. For us to make sure of this answer in letter A, we have to see if the g of x is equal to x squared plus 2 and h of x is equal to x plus 3, we'll verify if this will give us h of g of 2 would be equal to 9. We're going to check if this will give us a verification of h of g of 2 is equal to 9 using these two functions here. Now let's see. If we have here g of x is equal to x squared plus 2, therefore our g of 2 is equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 plus 2, and finally equal to 6. So we have g of 2 is equal to 6. Now, when we have h of g of 2, it means that the x plus 3 would become, x would become g of 2, which is g of 2 is equal to 6. So will become, it will become g of 2 plus 3. And this will be g of 2 is equal to 6, and we have plus 3, and this is equal to 9. So finally we have, or we have verified that the h of g of 2 is equal to 9. So therefore, we can be sure of the answer here in number 12 as letter A.